Hi there, welcome back. We're going to be talking about the GeoGebra construct inline tools today. So I'm going to scroll down a little so you can see those. Here's your construct tools. Here are your align tools. So I'll start with the line tools. They're really easy. Click on whatever tool you want. So we'll start with segment. And to make a segment, I just click in my workspace the 2 points I want for the endpoints. Align, I'm going to click on the line tools, the same thing. And I'm going to create 2 points because 2 points define a line. And as you can see, the difference here is that the line goes on in both directions. And last, I'll use the ray tool to make a ray, which has a starting point, and then click in the direction I want it to go. So those are pretty easy tools to use. There's one more tool that I'm not seeing here, and that is a line segment with a specific length. So to see that tool, I need to click on the More button. And that will bring up different tools, kind of the more advanced tools. So let's make a segment with a given length. So I choose that tool, and I click one endpoint, and then a dialog box will come up. So that's where I could type how long I want that segment to be, and then I click OK. So pretty easy, huh? So let's go ahead and delete. Actually, I'm going to just open up a new. There we go. Get rid of my axes too. So now we're going to do the construct tools. So to start off, I want to draw a line segment so I have something to do my constructions on. And the first thing I want to do is find the midpoint of this line segment. So I just click on the midpoint or center tool and then click on the segment I want to find the midpoint for. And there it is. So now I want to add a perpendicular line to my segment. I'm going to click on the perpendicular line tool and just click on the segment. And I can move this, and then when I'm happy where it is, I could just click and it'll stop it right where it is. And to prove to you that this is actually a perpendicular line, I'm going to measure the angle. So click the measure angle. I'm going to click on my perpendicular lines. And again, it measured the outside. So to make sure I have this correct, I'm going to click angle 0 to 180. And there you can see the right angle marking right there. Okay? So now let's go and do a perpendicular bisector. So I will click on the perpendicular bisector tool, and then all I have to do is click on the segment, and it will put a perpendicular line through the midpoint of that segment. So that's a pretty easy tool to use as well. The last tool I want to show you is parallel lines. And to do that, you need to have a point that your parallel line is going to go through. So I just added point C to my workspace, and now I'm going to click the parallel line tool, and I'm going to click the point I want the line to go through and the line segment that I want it parallel to, and you can see there it constructed a parallel line for me. Now I do want to point out that if we're asking you to construct parallel lines or perpendicular lines, you cannot use these tools. We want to see the actual construction, and we will have help tutorials for those as well. But if you are told that you can use the tools on a particular construction, this is how you would do it. Okay? If you have any questions, message your teacher, and we'll see you later on. Bye.